Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share my latest project with you guys, and I know I had mentioned it in a few months ago in a past video that I was going to be making a Disney album for my daughter who went on a trip with the band in her high school. They went on a trip to Disney. They had a really good trip. Their trip was right before the COVID-19 outbreak, so she was lucky to get that vacation in. So I had promised her that I was going to make her an album, and I shared paper collections in previous haul videos with you guys, so I just wanted to share with you. I am currently working on embellishing her album, but I made her an 8x8 album, and this is from a tutorial that I followed by hold on, I'm thinking I have it in my brain. Gosh, I will put the information in the box in the description box below. I followed a tutorial. Gosh, I cannot believe I can't think. I got a brain freeze right now. But I will put the information in the bottom bar so you guys can go and check out the channel where I got this tutorial from. But I also showed you previous videos from albums that I made just like this, just embellish them differently. So I use that same pretty much tutorial, and I made this really cute album. And I'm sorry you may not be able to see the whole album because of the camera angle, but this is the front cover. I am currently working on getting this all decorated for her. I'm just in the beginning stages, so it still looks pretty plain. So this is the front, and I put this cut apart from one of the paper pieces. I just kind of popped it up on a piece of chipboard just to give it a little bit of dimension, and I kind of distressed the edges of that, and it just says best place in the world, has the little Mickey globe on it, and I thought that was cute. I used this cute little ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby, which I did share in a past haul with you guys, as a closure. And I'm just going to open it up and just show you guys. So this right here is how I decorated the base pages, and I have a lot more that I want to add. There's a lot of cut aparts that came with those 3 collections that I got. I combined 3 different collections to do this mini album, so I have a lot left, and I'll share that with you guys too. So this first page opens up like this, and she can crop pictures to put on these little flip outs. And also she can add a larger picture here, 4x7 picture there. This book, I did add plenty of magnetic closures so that these will stay closed. This is the inside cover of the book right here. Each page has one of these little pull-out mats, and she can mat photos or journal on here, whatever she wants to do. And like I said, I'm not totally done with embellishing this. I'm just showing you guys. This is a beginning stages. So this page flips open here, and right here is a pocket page, and I embellished with this really pretty bright yellow cardstock, and this is one of the papers from one of the collections. And this one is a fold out, and I made sure to put the musical note here because the school band that my daughter is in, they actually performed in a parade at Disney, and so their picture from the parade would go great right here, and she can either journal or add other pictures on the sides here. So these close up, and the magnet just keeps them closed. So whichever way she closes this in, there's magnet to keep it closed. And again, another pull out for more pictures on front and back. So this closes over, this part opens up, large page here for a picture, here for a picture. This is actually a side pocket. She can stick some things, and I'll probably make some tags and things so she can journal on. And this flips open like this. Large space, photo spaces, and again, magnetic closure. She can put a photo here if she like, or we can do some really cute cut aparts. These pull out. Like I said, each page has one of those pull out mats, which is really neat. Here's some more flip outs that has magnets, and this one says magical memories. Here, this opens, more picture space, another pull out. Here is one page with the belly band, so she can slide memorabilia or things like that. And I'm thinking about, on the spine of this book, adding one of the keychains that she bought from Disney in a tassel to decorate the spine. Here is this page. It opens up like this with the bright red. I think no matter what, all the papers kind of matched really well. They all have the same kind of color scheme. Some of them are a little bit brighter than the others, but it still went together really, really well. So, and I'm kind of glad this is pretty snug. That way she don't have to worry about losing anything. But this one flips up like this. Okay. And here is this page. It's another pocket. And she has a pull out there. And on the back, there's a side pocket, like a deep side pocket. And I'm thinking some tags will go good in there. And then this is the other inside cover, which I may add a pocket going across where she can stick some stuff. So that's the album. And I pulled out some of my pre-made rosettes, which I have like a bin of all colors like this that I already put together, and they make really good embellishments. And so I sometimes make them and put them on my Etsy shop as well. But yeah, so these are easy just to pull out when I want to make a quick embellishment, which I think I might make a couple rosette embellishments for the front cover. So that's my thinking. I took out this bright red and this bright yellow. I also have some black ones already made, but I don't think I want to use black. I like the brightness of those colors. So these are the 3 collections that I use. This one is Magic and Wonder by Echo Park Paper Company. And I got this one, and I believe I did get this from the scrapbook convention in Arlington when we went last year. So this is this one, and I can also use this one because it has some really neat cut aparts. So as you can see, there's a whole lot of cut aparts that you can use to embellish these albums. Also, if you make albums with pocket pages, these are perfect. So then I also used the 2 collections by Simple Stories, and this is Say Cheese 3, and I got the Say Cheese 2. So this is what the Say Cheese 2 looks like. And again, all of these kind of, it doesn't matter that I use 3 different collections, because they all have the same kind of color scheme. So, and this is Say Cheese 3. And I have, including this page here, 13 12 by 12 pieces left, and then 2 sticker sheets. So these 2 are sticker sheets, and this one came from the Echo Park Paper Collection and has some really nice stickers. And I think for all of the stickers, I think I will add them on a little piece of chipboard and make them more dimensional. And then this one is from the Say Cheese 3. The Say Cheese 2 didn't have a sticker sheet that came with it, but that's fine because this is plenty of stickers. And I normally don't use most of the stickers, but since this is dedicated specifically for the Disney with the Mickey Mouse, and I will probably use as many of these as I can for her album, just to help decorate and embellish it. And so most of the pages that were left over were the cut aparts. So this is, I'm going to be using all of these, well, not all of them, but I'll be using these pages for specifically decorating. Like, I really like this that says top five faves, and this will be a good little journaling piece for her to put on the side of some of the pictures, to say what was her, top 5 things to do at Disney, or, and this one says best day ever. She can also journal on here and on here. I like that. So I can add those into the album. And on the back, it has one that says magic. But of course, you have to kind of choose which side you want to use, but it's fine. This one says so much fun. And she took tons and tons of pictures, so we just need to get her pictures printed out. After I get this album embellished, she can take her time and add all of her pictures. And I think I left the spine empty for now because I'm still trying to decide what I want to do with the spine. I want to put some more decorative paper on the spine, but I think I might pop up a piece on some chipboard just to give some more dimension and poke a hole through there, a hole or two through there. And I want to hang her little Disney keychain, which I wish I had it around here, but she bought like a bag. She spent a lot of money. She bought a bag of keychains from Disney. Everything is pretty expensive there, but she brought home a good amount of souvenirs and stuff. And I have some tassels, which I wish I had close by because I could show you guys, but I'll come back in another video, probably just a follow up to this video, just to show you guys the finished album, like after we get it totally embellished and after I decide what I want to do with the spine. I'll just kind of show you guys what the finished album is. I want to add some more sparkle to it. It's just pretty matte right now, and maybe I'll even add a couple of pockets on the inside covers. And for the ribbon, just to kind of keep the ends of the ribbon sealed, I just ran my hot glue gun like right across the end of my ribbon piece, so that as she's tying and untying this book, that her ribbon won't start to unravel. And I also know that you can kind of burn the ribbon a little bit to keep it from coming apart, but I have my glue gun right by me, and I just thought of that, and I just sealed it by putting just a little piece of glue right along the edge. So that works for now, and if that peels off, we can burn it. But yeah, that's what I did. I have some sparkle shimmer spray, and since everything about Disney seems like magical, well, I want to add some of those sparkly shimmer sprays to this book. And also, I showed y'all in a video, my last video was a Walmart haul, that I had got these sparkly gold and silver stickers. They were stars. I'm going to be using some of those to embellish. Just plenty of possibilities. And I'll also go ahead and add some decorative paper to the inside spine pieces in between the pages. I think that'll make it look so much more finished. But yeah, I came home Friday from work and decided I was going to finish my English paper so that I wouldn't have to worry about doing it on the weekend, and it gave me a little bit more time to do this. So of course I have to get back to the grind and get some studying. I have a test tomorrow in A&P, and so I'm gonna have to study for that. And also, I'm watching the movie called The Plague for another English assignment that I have to get. We're like down to the wire. I think I have like 3 weeks left before the end of the semester, and we have several assignments that are coming due. So we're getting down to the wire, and I want to just make sure I get those assignments done. But I also like to try to take a little bit of time in between doing my schoolwork and get some crafting done. So I promised my daughter this album, and so pretty much I got it done for her. So that's what I'm working on today, embellishing this scrapbook album. And also I need to make a couple more of those little paper purses, which I told y'all about in my last video, that I got that tutorial from Tamika at Scrap the World. I need to make a few more of those little purses because I have some more birthdays coming up. I have one birthday this week at work, so I want to do, I bought like 3 bags of candy, so I fill them up with candy, put a cute little birthday card with the purse, and it's a hit. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please click the link below to subscribe. And I won't forget to add a link to where I got the tutorial for this album, because you can just make your own albums, guys. Or if you prefer, they do sell these albums already made and put together, and you can just embellish them. Some people just like to, you know, decorate and add their pictures, so you don't have to do all that extra. But anyways, that is it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.